Hello friends, today we will learn about half-wave rectifier. As we know that diode is a unidirectional device. Why diode is unidirectional device? Let's understand. This is diode. When we connect diode in forward biasing, we find current of milliampere order. While when we current in reverse biasing, we find current of microampere order. So in reverse biasing, value of current is very small, which can be we can say that is very small current. So we can say that diode is unidirectional device. We can say that diode is unidirectional device because it allow current only in forward biasing and it allows negligible current in reverse biasing. That is why we say diode is a unidirectional device. So we can use diode in rectification. What does rectification mean? To convert AC into DC. Rectification का मतलब होता है AC को DC में convert करना. To convert AC into DC. The process to convert AC into DC is known as rectification. And the device or the instrument which converts AC into DC is known as rectifier. There are two types of rectifiers, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So we are studying half wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier, first you see that this is symbol of transformer. This is input alternating voltage. Input alternating voltage and this is symbol of transformer. सबसे पहले आपको ट्रांसफार्मर का सिंबल बनाना है. Now connect a diode. एक डायोड कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. Now connect load resistance in this way and draw the output terminals. Name these terminals A and B and name these terminals X and Y and name the resistance as RL. Load resistance. RL is load resistance. We can measure output voltage between terminals X and Y. So what will happen? This is input alternating voltage. When this input alternating voltage, this is input for diode P N junction. This is P N junction. Draw the wavefront of input voltage. Suppose that input voltage is in this way. This is V input. V input. This is first half cycle. This is second half cycle. You can observe that in first half cycle input voltage is positive and in second half cycle input voltage is negative. Till this point matter here, it matters here that input voltage, first half cycle of input voltage is positive, second half cycle of input voltage is negative. Whenever this wavefront enters the diode, this is P terminal of diode, this is negative terminal of diode. So for first half cycle, when positive terminal, when positive wavefront enters the diode, this diode work as forward biasing. It is working forward biasing. So it allows current to pass through it. For another second half cycle, the wavefront of input voltage is negative. So this is negative and this one is positive. So for second half cycle, diode work in reverse biasing. So we can say that it do not allow current to pass through it. So for positive cycle, again there will be positive half cycle. So it will allow current to pass through it for positive half cycle and for negative half cycle, it again stop the current to pass through it. So we can say that this diode allow current to pass through it only in forward biasing, or it allows voltage in only in forward biasing. It stops the voltage in reverse biasing. So we can draw its characteristic. We can draw its diagram wavefront of output diagram. Input and output diagram. We will draw the diagrams simultaneously. Suppose that this is diagram of input voltage. This wavefront represent input voltage. Now what will happen? For output voltage, what will be there? For first half cycle, PN junction works in forward biasing, so it allow the current to pass through it only in forward biasing. So first half cycle में ये current को allow करेगा, and for second half cycle it stops the current. Second में current को stop करेगा, and for again next positive half cycle it allows the current. यहाँ पर ये forward biasing हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर input voltage, ये input voltage will be in forward biasing, it is in forward biasing, so it allows only in V. This is V output, this is V output, it allows only in forward biasing. VO will be measured between these two terminals. So for VO, wavefront of VO will be in this way. For positive half cycle, when Vi in positive half cycle, output voltage will be shown there. For negative half cycle, PN junction, PN diode will be in reverse biasing, so it stops the current or voltage. And for positive cycle, it allows the current to pass through it. So in this way, we can say that half wave rectifier allowed only positive half cycles to pass through it. This is the working principle, working of the half wave rectifier. Thank you so much.